AB InBev is one of the largest brewing companies in the entire world. The key brands that we produce are Budweiser, Bud Light, and Stella Artois.
Brewing is such an old industry, and we've used a lot of the same technologies for the last 100 years. And so we've started to use technology to digitally transform our operations.
Our innovation team at AB InBev teamed up with Google and Pluto7 to find a way to extend the life of each K-filter run, which is a process where the beer has certain particles that have come from fermentation, and you have these filters that are set up in which the beer turbidity level, which is how clear the beer is, has to get below a certain threshold. So what you have is a multivariable problem where when you reach a certain threshold, the machine has to be shut down. It's a balancing act because you have to keep that turbidity level below the required amount for that brand.
The K-filter process is a very manual process traditionally. What we've done is take a lot of the human error out of that and automate and really accelerate the decision making.
The solution was to take this Google machine learning engine, put in billions of simulations, look for trends within that data for this can prolong the life here or there. Not only does it allow you longer average runs, but there's energy savings. And finally, there's the beer itself, which more uptime means you can produce more as well as not having to throw out wasted brands.
The value of working in the partnership with Pluto7 is that they're scalable because they're on the Google Cloud platform. So the learnings we get from Newark, we can scale across breweries across 126 countries. Artificial intelligence Pluto7 and Google Cloud platform is a part of this broader vision to transform how we make beer, to deliver it faster, more consistently, higher quality to our valued customer.
Every opportunity we have to be at the forefront puts us in a position to compete better, but also prove that technology like this can be successful in an industrial environment.